Hello guys, welcome again to Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and right now we will have new video and we will discuss about one trading platform. This is what we call BitYard. So BitYard is one of well-known trading platform right now, and you can find the link below, bityard.com. What is the importance of this BitYard trading exchange platform? As you can see, BitYard brand concept is BitYard means simple. So this is a simple trading exchange platform. So you will have a good benefit. It has a competitive trading fee for all the customer. Okay. So BitYard was established in 2019 in Singapore. And the good thing in BitYard is it is regulated by many cryptocurrency trading license. Okay, so as you can see, this is one of the most important in any trading exchange, that for the safetyness of their customer, BitYard should obtain their crypto licenses. So in many countries. So in 2019, it was granted in MSB. MSB is the Money Services Business Crypto Trading License in US government. So it was licensed by the US Treasury Department Financial Crime Enforcement Network, or what we call FinCEN. One of the benefit of this, as per license, BitYard is authorized to act as a money transmitter and dealer in foreign exchange in all US state and foreign countries. That's a good thing in BitYard. Aside from that, BitYard obtained in December 2022 the Estonia Financial Supervision Authority MTR crypto financial licenses. So as a member of the European Union, Estonia adhered the Anti-Money Laundering Device Directive. So the good thing in BitYard is this is a subject for the most sophisticated regulatory framework. So beside BitYard is also licensed in the Business Administration of Singapore and also in the Australian Transaction Reporting and Analysis Center, or AUSTRAC. Okay, so as you can see, the combination of this license make a top exchange of this exchange compared to other exchange that have few licenses only. Okay, so right now, we will discuss to you on this video the registration, on how we can register through BitYard, the crypto wallet, the asset, how can you obtain also the crypto wallet, your crypto wallet address, and also the very basic thing of spot trading. So what can we do on the spot trading of BitYard? So right now, I will do some share screen right now. Okay, and discuss. By the way, before I forgot, the good thing also in BitYard, you can see it in a Bloomberg News business section. So I'll show you the screenshot here. Okay, and definitely BitYard is also in a big news in international news. Okay, so right now we'll do the share screen of BitYard. Okay, so this is BitYard, but first of all, what we will discuss is, I already logged in, but for example, if you want to have, okay, we'll do it here, okay. So now, for the registration of BitYard, what we can do is write this one. You can just follow my link that I mentioned, okay, or you can do the login and register now, but I prefer you to go to the link that I mentioned here, okay, in bityard.com. So this is the official site, no other site that have BitYard. It should be bityard.com. Okay, you can either email your registration here or mobile registration. You can enter your phone and there will be a verification. Even in your email, there will be a verification code for this. Okay? So, for our Filipino, mga kabayan po natin, register lang kayo dito sa link na to and then get started nyo lang. Okay. Once you are registered already, what are the things that you have to consider and to do first? Okay. You already registered, you already verified. So you will enter now in your BitYard and your asset. Okay. Now, the most important thing, guys, when you are doing your verification, you have to know your KYC. Okay. So your KYC, account security. Okay, in your account security. In KYC, you have to upload, I've already verified here. So you just need to upload some photos of your ID, and as well, you have to hold your ID and a picture of that ID together with the name of BitYard, handwriting, BitYard, and the date when you take that photos, just to secure that you are the one opening the account and you are not a bogus and not a scammer. So that's the good thing here in BitYard. So that is the KYC. Know your customer to protect your account. Okay. Another important note is the security. Okay. So you have to secure your, you should have your Google verification open, okay, or any other, even your email verification. So there will be a two security verification. And also, please take note, guys, that whenever you are doing your withdrawal or everything, this security setting will help you. No? So, and not anyone can just withdraw your crypto. Okay, now you have your asset. So to check your cryptocurrency, go to your asset at the right side. Okay. Okay, actually you can buy or crypto. So if you click the buy crypto, there is a banksa that can help you to buy through your credit card. Okay, or if you have any other crypto from your previous crypto wallet, you just need to click the deposit side. So, yung deposit side nyo lang, yung deposit dito. Then, pwede ka na mag-deposit ng, normally USDT, no, ang tina-transfer natin, okay? So, yan yung mga pwede mong i-deposit. So, USDT, BTC. So, pagka USDT, in USDT, you have chain network, chain PRC, okay? So, this is the cheapest way to send USDT. Only $1 normally. So minimum deposit is 10 USDT. We have also the BSC. What is a BSC? This is the Binance Network. Okay, the BSC. And we have also the ERC20. Okay, so the Ethereum network. Okay. So now in Bitcoin, we have also the BSC, the Binance Network, Smart Chain, okay, and the Bitcoin itself, okay, the BTC. So this will be actually your wallet address. Okay, so see, if you click here, you will find your Bitcoin address. If you click here, you will find your Binance address. Okay, so I hope this is clear with you. So sa ating mga kababayan, simple lang naman ito. So ito yung pinaka wallet mo dito sa deposit side ng ating BitYard. Okay, so punta ka lang ng asset and then deposit. And for withdrawing, andito lang yung withdraw. Pwede tayo makapag-withdraw dito sa ating BitYard, okay, ng mga asset natin, digital asset natin. So, ano ba yung mga pwede mong makonsider makita pa dito sa BitYard? What are the other features that you can see in BitYard? So for this video, we will discuss about the spot trading. Okay, but first of all, In the next video, I will give you a hint. Okay, we will check the copy trade. Okay, the futures as self. So futures, we know this. This is the derivative trading exchange or derivative with leverage trading. Okay, and of course, if you want to invite other people and you have the referral code, this is the affiliated code. We can click here and you can just copy your link once you registered and invite other people about this BitYard. Okay, so right now we'll go now to spot trading. So remember, I deposited $100 for the purpose of this video. Okay, so in spot trading, you can see here. I'll just remove this screenshot. Okay, so in spot trading, this is the basic of trading. Okay, for example, you want to trade a spot to buy a Bitcoin. You just need on the left side, you can see the search button of which USDT pair. Okay, here. So USDT, for example, you want to check Luna. You're interested to buy Luna. Okay. So just click Luna. Okay, actually, this is my favorite. And then, okay, go for market. Okay, I always suggest for all the newbies to go to market. And then, for example, how many available USDT you have? I have $100, 101. So you can enter exactly the amount of Luna you want to buy. So for example, I want to buy $50 for Luna. So just click buy in market. And that's it, successful. So I have now Luna. Okay, as you can see right now, I have 0.85 Luna. That is worth $50, and I bought it at the price of, you can check also now the order history here, at the price of 57.49. So expect this, that I would sell my Luna if I found the price higher on this amount to gain a profit. Okay, so this is the basic of trading. Buy low, sell high. Okay, so buy on the sell, buy low in the lower prices, and then sell on the higher prices. For those who are interested to learn more deeper on how you have to technical analysis of this, don't forget to visit most of my trading tips 101 on this channel. And I hope you subscribe on this channel. Okay, next. So for example, so right now, what is 58.33? Okay, so 58.33. I buy it for 57.49. So definitely right now, I earn already. Okay, so just to show. So I'll sell all my Luna that I just bought a while ago. Okay, so not yet. If I sell it right now, oh no, in market. Go to market, 100%, and let's check again what is the price of Luna. 58. Let's just sell it. So now it's 51 and I sell it. Okay. And it's filled and successful. Let's refresh. So I earn a little bit of 0.5. Okay, so that is the way how you sell to buy and sell. And now, what is the purpose of limit? Actually, limit is like a trigger order that once the prices, if for example you are expecting that the price will go down or go up, so you have to buy on this price. So you just, for example, right now, I'll give you an example. 57. I expecting that on 59. I'll buy Luna, okay, for for 25%. Okay, 25 USDT. So I'll buy Luna for this. As you can see here, this will not be automatically, oops, okay, now it's goes, yeah. So that order has been gone. It's fulfilled. Why? Because after the limit, Luna already on the 58.58, almost 59, which I mentioned before. Okay, so this is just another example of, so as you can see now, I have 0.43 Luna. So limit is just similar to a trigger order. So this is just the basic, okay, of the spot trading. And most of you already know how to do the spot trading. But the good thing in BitYard is this is a more simple, not very complex trading strategy. On the left side, don't forget, of course, to check your favorites crypto that you want. And you just, for example, right here, right now, I'll go for Dodge, okay? So I want Dodge to be my favorite crypto so I can easily find it. Just go to Dodge, okay? And then that's it. Once you click the favorite, your favorite, Dodge will be there already. Okay, so as you can see, I have ADA, AXS. This is most crypto that I'm doing my technical analysis. So this is a good thing in BitYard. One more thing, guys. So I hope you enjoy the simple lesson, simple video about BitYard. And please take note, on my next video, I'll show you also the benefit of trading in a leverage, trading using BitYard. And the good thing in futures of BitYard, there is a demo version. So just to give you a teaser. Okay, so now we will go for futures of BTC USD. So imagine, okay, the good thing here, okay, you have a demo of $100 US. This is just a demo account to do your futures trading. That's the good thing. So you can practice your technical analysis, you can practice your trading through BitYard. And I'll discuss this to you on my next video. So I hope, guys, you enjoy again watching here at Earn Money at Home Worldwide. And thank you again for watching. And thank you again for listening on this new video about BitYard. And I hope you enjoy your trading. Please do your own research and also always take care of your technical analysis. Let me be your guide, but you will do your own technical analysis. Of course, we have every update of crypto in this channel. We have also some trading tips on how you can trade, the basic of support and resistance, MACD, what is RSI, this indicator that will help you to have a good trading profit. Okay, thank you again for watching in Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and see you on my next video, and watch out for the next video about BitYard.